to what we have read. Mouse over completed, drag and drop. Click and hold release of a web element.
What are we doing today, sir?
This mouse operation, only one thing is left out. Okay. Click and hold operation I have not really. Pausing operation in that program I have said, you know how to use pause operation.
Yeah.
This
What about
here,
the ninth one?
which one? This
Uh,
one, no, drag and drop. I have told you, like drag and drop operation. This one I have told you.
uh, no, but this handling slider and resizers.
Slider one I'll tell you. Slider and resizer
Oh,
I'll tell you.
okay.
Slider I'll tell you that. Okay.
Okay.
Slider and resizer and this click and hold operation. Only these three things are left. And I was checking
How
another thing
about,
we have done. Opening link in new
yeah,
tab. Incognito one we have done. No mouse operation.
Yeah.
This see, that one is only. We have did this not like open in new incognito mode. Click in new tab, new window on that I was showing you or not. This three.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
That one only.
Yep. Yep.
And scroll to a particular element we have did keys up and keys down operation using robot class we have did. Only 9 number and 10 number is left out. Everything we have completed. Okay. See, I'll just click here. If I am not releasing it, Okay, I'm moving the element from one place to other place, correct? But if I'm not releasing it, it is showing green color. No, that's why, like, how to use this click and hold. Like, this one I have to click here, and I'm holding it for some time till release. That is known as click and hold operation. So
And also it includes the same function which is dragging from the element from one place to another.
same thing. Same thing. This is drag and drop means, see what happens here is, in drag and drop operation, directly it will take from one place and directly it will leave here, correct? But with the mouse operation, what are the things we are doing? We are dragging from one place to other place. We are doing right click, we are doing left click in some of the condition. If I'll open this one also, see, I'll open this one. I want to click on this. I'll click here. Now I'm pressing, like I have clicked here, but I'm holding it without releasing. If I will release, then this page will open. Clear? This is the thing
Yeah.
what I want to say. I'll show you that so that you can get an idea. Hmm. Driver dot path solution action dot specific element dot and the element. Got my point? The same thing I'll show you. See, the same thing I'll show you here. Don't get confused. The same thing I'll show you here. Here what we did, drag and drop operation. Okay.
Can you go on that screen again, sir? On
Yeah,
Facebook?
1 minute. The same thing I'm doing here. This click and hold operation, the same thing I'll show you so that you can get a clarity of more. Actions dot move to source. Click and hold your destination box. 2 seconds. See, it wait for 2 seconds or not. Now clear?
But
Take
same
down.
thing it was doing before also, right?
Sorry?
So what is the difference between the condition before? So right now it just dragged. That time it was just dragging and dropping. And
Yeah.
now it's clicking and it's moving first.
Hmm. It's first it is doing like clicking the element. See, previously what happened, directly it is taking from here and it is dropping here, correct? But
Yeah.
now what it is doing, it is clicking here, taking it and holding it for some time. It is not dropping it there, it is
Okay.
holding it for some time. Okay,
Mhm.
the specified time given by the user, up to that time it will hold on, and after that it will release.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
See, simple thing, you click something and hold it for some time, but to use that, like if some condition will be there, like you have to click a element and hold it for a specific time, so
Mm-hmm.
you don't have any other options what we have read previously. Move to element, click on a element, all these things are directly it will perform the operations, but to hold it we have to use it click and hold operation. Then after that we have to use release. If will not release, it will not leave that. And but by click and hold operation, it will click on that element also, because already you are holding that element.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you can take down both those program. Done. This one.
Mhm.
Then Okay. What I have to do here, I have to just slide this one. These are the elements which I have to slide. Okay. How to slide all those elements? It's equal to slide double slash a brackets. नोटिसाइड करता हूँ क्लास नोटिसाइड करता हूँ this one is okay, in which condition we will use while loop, this while loop when we are using, can anyone?
When we don't know how much time do we need to uh, run the loop.
Correct. When we don't know about the number of iterations, we'll be using while loop.
Yeah. You can see here why I have taken title directly. You can see it is written as 280, correct? If I am changing anything from here, if I am changing anything from here, you can see here the value is changing in the title part or not. The value is changing in the title part, correct? Now say me one thing I want to know you from you all guys, that I have that this value is a string value. You can see here within double quote it is present. This value is a string value, correct? I want to like slide it up to 440 or I want to slide it up to 90. That is the string value which I'll be getting. But thing is that how to convert the string value to integer value. So Integer dot value of
integer,
dot value of, I think.
think once. Integer dot value of is taking which type of argument you see? Yeah, value of can be done. Yes.
Is
Apart from this value of operation method which we can use.
auto boxing wrapper class.
Sorry,
Auto boxing can we do?
can't we use this one?
Yeah, this one also. Yeah.
Now I'll put the condition if integer left side slider is greater than 370. For example, is greater than 370, then since is equal to since action dot was just to show you the some some dot and drop this element in int x-axis by 0. Else it's not working.
Sir, could you please just maximize the page and then run the code once?
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Where I did the mistake then. Oh, here I did the mistake. Now see it will work. Started. See. Up to what it will go? Up to 370 it will go.
Yes.
And what I did here is, see, if, sorry for the line, I don't like, if this one is my x-axis, this one is my y-axis, okay? This one is my y-axis, this one is my x-axis. That's why you can see here I have given x-axis 5, y-axis 0. That means it is moving, this slider is moving from this side to this side with like x-axis, in x-axis 5, in 5 5 interval it is moving. Correct?
No, interval was 10, I guess. Yeah, every time it is.
Actually, it is showing over
Yeah.
there. See,
Okay,
like
okay, okay.
in x-axis it is moving 5. The value is changing to 10. That is different thing.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. What it is doing, it is, see here, it is what it is doing here is, I have just located, after opening this, I have located the slider one, correct? The left side one, left side slider one, I have located this one. What happens? This one we are moving or not? If in x-axis we are moving, you can see here, see, I'm moving with 1 interval, 10 10 it is going. Correct. That means how many times it will go? Like 5 times to x-axis. It will be around 370. Like every 5 interval, it will move. I don't know in how many iterations I have to take. That's why I have taken while loop and meant it as true. Then I have fetched the value of that, like of that slider one, this slider value I have fetched here and store it inside a attribute and converted this string value to integer. Then using if else condition, we are just dragging and dropping it from one place to other place. That's it. Clear
But
what I did?
what is this drag and drop left to sider? So what is this drag and drop? How many parameters is it taking and how are you passing
See,
it?
no, not any parameters. This drag and drop is taking what type of parameters, I'll show you. Let's dot drag and previously what I have taught this one, source and destination, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here what I am doing is, here also the same thing. I'm just putting the source one and the destinations part, x-axis and the y-axis I am putting.
Okay.
Get size, get position, set position, where we have read. I'll show you that. Just a minute. Left side dot get get see. we are finding the x-axis.
Mm-hmm.
I'm finding the x-axis, finding the y-axis. I'm finding out the x-axis and y-axis or not. The same
Mm-hmm.
thing only, I'm putting the x-axis and y-axis here. That means I'm moving in x-axis, I want to move it for in an interval of 5, and in y-axis 0. Don't get confused, like these are the things, it will be used very rare in rare cases, but in syllabus it is there, that's why I'm teaching you. Okay, don't get confused.
But it's taking interval of like 200 to 210, then 20.
See what it is doing. You can get the x-axis we got here, y-axis we got here,
Yeah,
clear. But
yeah.
in an interval of 5 means only that slider it is moving plus 5, plus 5. But that thing it is changing here as the value in 10 10 10 10 intervals. This value is different. It is moving in x-axis, that is different. You can see.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Got my point? What I'm like in point values, it is not moving. Fine.
Oh, okay, okay.
See, I got here the x-axis and y-axis value also. That value with 5 intervals like 5 and 0, like 5 times to left hand side or right hand side. What I want to move, that thing I am doing here. I want to see like 370 is there, no? To that side till it matches to that side, I am moving it for 5 times only.
Okay, so
One,
5 is the time, how
how
many
many,
times you want to move.
how many times you want to move?
Okay, it's not the,
If
it's, okay, okay. It's not the interval time, basically.
not interval timing,
Okay,
like just it is like 1,
2,
2, 3,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
Okay,
It
got
is
it.
moving 5 times, but within this 5 times, it is matching whether the value which we are fetching it is within 370 or not.
Mm-hmm.
If it is within 370, it will move. If it is not within 370, it will come to else block. It is break over there. That means it will block over there.
Okay,
Clear now?
yeah. Can we
Take,
take picture now?
yeah. Take this.
Sir, I want to take the picture of drag and yesterday one on. Also, I forgot to take that.
Which one? Which one?
Uh,
This one?
in which one? No, no, no. No, not this one. Of code only. Drag drop.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, thank you. Just a second.
Yeah.
Mm, thank you.
Done?
Yeah, yeah, it's done.
We'll start pop-ups today. This researcher one I'll tell you afterwards. Okay, in frame part I'll tell you that. Fine. Okay. What is a pop-up and when you're going to see all those pop-ups? Pop-up is nothing, just like we can say,
We'll be using alert here, right?
sorry,
Alert class. Here.
alert class. Where it is written alert class?
This is for pop-ups. I'm just guessing.
I'll tell you that. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I thought I have not taught alert class from where it came. Okay. Pop-up is a window that displays or pops or the screen you some due to some activity. This is what we call as pop-up. And how many types of pop-up we are having? Uh, we are having alert confirmation pop-up, prompt pop-up, authentication pop-up, hidden division pop-up, calendar and date picker pop-up, notification and web push pop-up. Then what is Chrome options? That is a different thing. I'll tell you. We'll go afterwards. Correct? Okay. See, first we have to know the characteristics of this pop-up. The first pop-up which I'll be teaching you is hidden hidden division. What is this hidden division pop-up is all about? We can see if you're going to attend any of the interviews, especially for these pop-ups, they will be asking you the what is the characteristics. These are the characteristics which you have to say. Like what do you mean by hidden division pop-up? They'll ask. What do you mean by alert pop-up? You have to say the characteristics part. You can inspect the pop-up. We can move pop-up. Pop-up will be color. Colorful. Let's see.
a website. Just a minute. See, this one we call it as hidden division, yeah, hidden division pop-up. As of we can see here, I have written the characteristics. We can inspect the pop-up, we can move the pop-up, and the pop-up is colorful. We cannot move the pop-up. Sorry. We cannot we cannot move the pop-up. See, this is a colorful pop-up as of we can see here. If I'm going to accept this, I'll right click, click on inspect. That means we can inspect on this pop-up, we cannot move this pop-up, and this pop-up is colorful. That's why what we have to do here, simple, we have to just inspect this, locate it, and we will accept it. That's it. Using find elements method only, we are going to handle hidden division pop-up. Seconds. Spot. Done. You can see that pop-up has been gone.
I have a question. You
Yeah.
in this XPath we are using without the ID attribute. So is there
Yeah.
any benefit using without the ID attribute just with the dot?
Not using what? Sorry, again. Come again.
So we are not using the ID attribute for the XPath.
Yeah. I'm not using the ID attribute because see, as of I can see here, we are having multiple words. If it is a single word, I'll use that. If maybe some of the like word will change, it may not work. That's why I'm taking directly the text value, and with text value, it is easy for me to look it also. It is not like that. You can also take ID part. See, that depends. We are having different types of locators, correct? The way what you are approaching, that is your perspective. How much you're familiar with the
Mhm.
locators, how much easily you can work on that, you can use anything. It is not like that you do not use ID. I am using a text value. No, it is not like that. You can use ID also, you can use text value also. That depends on basically on you.
Okay, got it.
Instead of only textual, if you'll ask me, like if in the live environment we should not use also dot equal to accept, I'll be using contents here, contents with a partial text value. That means the usability of the code will be more flexible at that time. That depends.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, you can take down this quick.
Sir, can I just open the paint one, paint document
Notepad.
information?
Okay. So no.
Can you scroll it down? You wrote something else also.
No, only these 3 point only. Actually, these are the characteristics of this hidden division pop-up.
Okay. Didn't you wrote about the pop-up?
That one I have omitted. Okay, I'll write that again.
Okay, okay. No problem. No, no, no. Don't write it again.
Okay, then
Yeah.
next one is notification pop-up. Notification. What is the characters of this notifications pop-up? We cannot inspect the pop-up. Cannot will have notification to handle notification. Take down this quickly, then we'll dive into the program. Done.
Yes, sir.
You can see here allow and block option, it is coming. It is a one type of show notification wants to allow and block. This option is coming or not. For this one, we'll be using Chrome class directly. Like you can see, we cannot move this pop-up, we cannot move, we cannot inspect. So for you, like to handle this pop-up, we have to use Chrome option class. Sure. Chrome options. See, you can see Chrome options is imported from your Selenium. So we kept before, but that means using Chrome options class, we're going to change the setting of the Chrome. Okay. Just a minute. So not. Okay, okay. I'm step here. Done. See what I have did here is we have created the instance of Chrome options class. Then we have added a, like we have changed the setting inside the Chrome, like inside Chrome, that I want to disable the notifications which is coming, for which I have added an argument as disable notification. Then I have passed the reference variable of the setting which I have changed inside our Chrome driver. That's why it is not coming. Clear up to this?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
why you have used two hyphens in front of the disable?
Sorry.
So disable notification is there, right?
Yeah.
Add arguments. So
This
you
is
have
the
used
string
two.
value which we have to pass. Normal disable notification will also work. I thought I have written any wrong, that's why I have copied it from here and I pasted it. It is not like that. It will work only with disable hyphen notifications.
So every time we have to use for the
Not
notification
every
pop-ups.
time this. For notification pop-up, it is mandatory every time you have to use, but once before starting, like opening of the browser, you can specify this. If once it is specified, the entire program, that notification pop-ups will not come.
Okay, so you mean this disable notifications we have to write every time.
Yeah, because it's a string value, we have to pass it.
But for which thing this is the string value? Like for which element? Sorry.
Actually, it is not for the element. As you can see here, we're getting a allow and block option, like to like you want to allow all the cookies or not block all the
Mm-hmm,
cookies. It is
mm-hmm,
coming like that. No,
mm-hmm.
allow and block to handle that we are using this. It is not for the element to handle that. That means you cannot click on allow and you cannot click on block. You to disable that notification, you are using this one.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So,
Okay.
what happens when we use the line number 11 and 12 after 14?
It will how it will work. See, before, like where you want to disable, inside the Chrome you want to disable, or inside the Edge you want to disable. I have opened this browser, I want to disable in this web page, correct? That means after opening, is this the web page? This is the web page? No, this is the setting of the Chrome. Here I want to change. That's why before, like before opening of the browser, I have changed the settings of the Chrome. Just that reference variable I have passed here.
Yeah, got it.
That's all from my end. Thank
So,
you guys. Any more doubts?
sir, can you do me a favor, please? Can you open that mouse operation package
Just
and
a
inside,
minute. Yeah.
can you open that right click dot Java? I think I have, I forget to. Okay, so this is the way to when you were discussing about the mouse operation to open uh, in a new
See,
tab. This is
yeah,
this is the
to
one.
open
Oh,
a new tab, this is one way. Another way is there. Um, Here I'll teach you. I'll show you that. See,
oh,
we are having here, just a minute. Pop-up calendar. Here I'll be telling you that.
okay, 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 sir. Got it. Thank
Another
you.
way is also there. Like inside for drive web driver, we are having two things we have left out. That one I'll teach you here.
Okay, okay, got it.
Dots.
Thank you.
I'm forgetting. Just a minute. Driver dot. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. I'm
Oh,
forgetting
oh,
it.
oh, yeah. Thank you.
Will
But
the
another
Chrome
way,
option,
that is not the only way. To open a new window. Yeah. Driver dot manage dot window. We can use with this. I'll tell you on that. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Anything
we
more?
need to use switch tab.
Sorry.
We need to use switch tab to open a new tab.
Bit louder, Avsan. I'm not able to hear you.
There is a method called switch tab to open a new tab in the
No,
browser.
no, that is switch to tab. That means I'll be switching. That is a different. I want. I have left out two methods of a WebDriver. Okay, that
Okay.
in that it is having. Like I'm forgetting it. I'll tell you that.
Sure.
will the Chrome option work only for the Chrome browser class? Will that class work only for the Chrome browser, or will it work across any browser like Edge or Firefox?
Again, you can say please.
In the last program, we are using the Chrome option class.
Yeah.
Will that work only for the Chrome browser, or will it
No,
work
no,
for
no, no,
all the
no. It is
browsers?
going to work for a. It is not like that. See, if I'm using with Edge, EDG. Okay, we are having also Edge.
Okay,
Everything.
got it. Yeah.
If you are using Edge, like Edge driver, use Edge options because it will change the setting of the Edge. As I'm using with Chrome, I have said you to use Chrome driver, Chrome options.
Okay,
So
got it.
Chrome
Yeah.
options will only work for Chrome browser, right?
Yeah, Chrome options will only work for Chrome browser. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Take
Thank you.